Today, very early in the morning, our officers, while on our routine patrols along Kisii Road, came across a motor vehicle which was being driven very suspiciously. The officers gave chase. And upon realizing that officers were on hot pursuit, it diverted on a feeder road, and eventually the driver lost control and landed into a ditch. Upon the arrival of the officers, it was established the vehicle, which is behind me here, a Toyota Hiace KCN 519Q, had 14 sacks, as you can see, stashed with brooms suspected to be cannabis sativa or Bangi, which is also suspected to be destined either to Nairobi, Nakuru or Ikiritwo. The driver of the vehicle managed to escape, but officers are on hot pursuit looking for him. He can run, but he cannot hide. We shall catch up with him, put him in custody, and process him very professionally and very soon. What I can tell the public, let us appreciate the good job of the officers. That's the first thing. The officers acted very, very professionally, and we appreciate them. At those wee hours of the night, and being vigil is not easy, but here we are. We have made a case, a very good case, and I believe we have saved so many souls. You can imagine 14 sacks of Bangi to our children.